Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the various posts notified by the Indian Space Research Organization, that is Department of Space, Government of India. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and post the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, which comes under the Department of Space, Government of India, has notified for the post of Administrative Officer, Accounts Officer and Purchase and Store Officer. So what is this post all about? How much the salary is? What are the qualifications? What is the experience required? And how you can apply? What is an exam? All those things we will be discussing in detail in this video. It is mentioned that online application are invited from meritorious candidates for the following vacancies in the level 10 of pay matrix, that is 56,100 would be the starting basic at Constitution ISRO Centers Group A gazetted post, and in autonomous body Semiconductor Laboratory Chandigarh Group A non-gazetted post as detailed below. Post number 1, Administrative Officer. How many vacancies are there? 4. 2 is for unreserved and 2 is for OBC, other backward classes at central level. Post number 2, Accounts Officer. Again 4 posts. 3 posts are unreserved and 1 post is for OBC. Out of the above, 1 post is identified PWBD BH low vision candidate. Post number 3, Purchase and Store Officer. Total 9 posts, out of which 5 posts are unreserved, 1 is for OBC, 3 posts are for ST scheduled tribe. Out of the above, 1 post each is identified for PWBD HH and PWBD OH. Now in the autonomous bodies there is a different post. These above vacancies are in ISRO centers unit, whereas now these vacancies, Administrative Officer 2 vacancy unreserved is in autonomous body, 2 posts in Accounts Officer is in unreserved category, and Purchase and Store Officer 3 vacancies is in unreserved category, out of which 1 would be post is identified for PWBD low vision. What is the qualification required? Administrative Officer, MBA plus 1 year experience in supervisory capacity, or postgraduate plus 3 years experience, 1 year in supervisory capacity, or graduate with 5 years experience, 2 year in supervisory capacity, and experience should be in areas of administration only. Now the next post, Accounts Officer. ACA, FCA or AICWA, FICW or MBA plus 1 year experience in supervisory capacity, or MCOM plus 3 years experience, 1 year in supervisory capacity, BCom/BBA/BBM with 5 years experience, 2 year in supervisory capacity. Experience should be in the areas of finance and accounts, cost accounting. Now the third post is Purchase and Store Officer. MBA in marketing or marketing materials management plus 1 year experience in supervisory capacity, or graduate plus postgraduate diploma in material management or any other subject relating to purchase and store activity with 3 years experience, 1 year in supervisory capacity in the relevant field, or postgraduate with 3 years experience, 1 year in the supervisory capacity in the relevant field, or graduate with 5 years experience, 2 years in supervisory capacity in the relevant field. Experience should be in the areas of purchase and store. Please note that graduation, post-graduation other than MBA, ACA, FCA, FICWA, AICWA, PG diploma in material management should be in first class with minimum 60% marks or CGPA of 6.3 on a scale of 10. That means only the candidates who have scored 60% in the above qualification apart from MBA, ACA, FCA, FICWA, AICWA, PG diploma in material management will be only applicable to apply for this post. Below 60% you cannot apply. It is also, please note, MBA degree should be in HR for applying for the post of Administrative Officer, Finance, Banking, Public System Management for applying for the post of Accounts Officer, Marketing or Material Management for applying for the post of Store and Purchase and Store Officer. Candidate possessing MBA degree other than those mentioned above are not eligible to apply. Experience should have been obtained after possessing the essential educational qualification. Experience should be in the relevant field like administration, accounts and finance, purchase and store activities in the government office or a public body or a commercial organization of repute. Supervisory experience wherever required should be at least in the level 6 of pay matrix pre-revised pay band 2 of 9300 to 34,800 with grade pay of 4200. Candidate should also possess good communication skills, leadership qualities and familiarities with the computers. Age limit 35 years as on 21st of April 2021, 38 years for OBC candidate and 40 years for ST candidates wherever posts are reserved. Serving government employees, ex-servicemen, person with disability, meritorious sportsmen are eligible for age relaxation as per Government of India orders. It is again for the PWBD candidate, degree of disability it is mentioned. Candidates who intend to apply for vacancy in ISRO should apply against any one of the post number 1 to 3. Candidate who intend to apply for vacancies in SCL should apply separately against any one of the posts 4 to 6. Candidate can accordingly apply for consideration against vacancy of both ISRO and SCL to any one post, that is administrative officer or accounts officer or purchase or store officer. Means either you can apply one post in any three, one post among any three for in the ISRO and one post in any of the three posts available in SCL. The online registration is started from 1st of April 2021 till 21 of April 2021. That is on isro.gov.in. Then after that application will be received online only and they should keep their details along with them till the finalization of the recruitment process. Then NOC is required for the government candidate, public sector undertaking, autonomous body etc. should apply under intimation to and with the permission of employer concerned. Who are from government, autonomous bodies or public sector undertaking, they should take the NOC which will be required at the time of interview. After that application fees, the application fees is 250 rupees for each application for the candidate to apply to vacancies in both ISRO and SCL, and there is a separate application fees. After candidates may make the payment online using internet banking, debit card or offline by visiting the SBI branch, but they have to apply for the post till 21st of April 2021. But the payment of the application fees can be done up to 23rd of April 2021. After that, steps for fees payment it is already given. Now the selection process. The written test will be conducted at 12 venues, that is Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Chennai, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, New Delhi and Trivandrum. However, ICRB reserves the right to cancel, change the written test venue and re-allot the candidates to any other test center. The call letter for written test will be sent only to the registered email IDs of the candidate. Candidate have to secure a minimum 40% marks in each part of the objective type test and also secure a minimum aggregate of 50% marks. Additionally, candidate should secure a minimum of 50% marks in the descriptive type test. Based on the performance in the written test, candidate will be shortlisted for interview generally in the ratio of 1:7 to the category wise number of vacancies. In the scheme of selection, performance in written test carries a weightage of 60% and performance in interview carries a weightage of 40%. Those who secure minimum 50% marks each in written test and interview will aggregate minimum of 60% marks will be considered for empanelment in order of merit. Pay and allowances. Selected candidates will be appointed as an officer in level 10 of the pay matrix and will be paid minimum basic pay of 56,100 per month. In addition, DNS allowance, HRA, transport allowance as per the rules on the subject. They will be under new pension scheme, contributory health care facilities for self and dependent family members, subsidized canteen facility, limited quarter facility, department transport facility, leave travel concession, group insurance, house building advance etc. as per the extant rules. So this is a notification, and date of conduct of written test and issue of call letters will be notified on ISRO website. And wherever there will be a written test, after the written test once the written test is over, the answer key will be published on ISRO website within 3 working days of the date of written test. Candidate will have 5 days time to raise objection, if any, to the answer keys with due justification only through the link provided in the website. So everything is very well predefined. So the opening date of registration was 1st of April 2021. The closing date of online registration is 21st of April 2021. And last date for payment of fees is 23rd of April 2021. These vacancies are very good, and it is in the group A gazetted officer level, and the salary would be commensurate to approximately 1 lakh rupees at the metro centers, and there will be a written test which is very well clearly defined. So all those candidates who are fulfilling the conditions and who are interested to apply for the post, kindly apply before the last date is over. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.